Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Gemini. Do this now. Once done, pick desktop for detailed controls or mobile for quick generation. Each has different menus. Make sure to gather 5 reference images, a short target size, and a color palette to guide results. Next, enable any image creation or experimental features in settings. This primes Gemini so you can jump directly into prompt crafting and image uploads without wasting time on basic setup. Begin by clicking Create or the Image tab. Now you build the prompt and tune settings for the middle of the workflow. Describe subject, style, lighting, and mood precisely. Include aspect ratio like 16:9 and any references you uploaded. Use masking or in-painting tools to target edits. That helps preserve parts you want to keep. Then set quality, random seed, and iteration counts. Start previews at lower resolution to save time. While previews run, refine wording. Synonyms change texture and color. If composition is off, tweak prompt and rerun previews until satisfied. Finish by rendering the image at the desired high resolution and applying any finishing filters. You can also do manual touch-ups in an editor. Export as PNG for transparency, JPG for compact files, or TIFF when you need maximum quality. Save prompt and seed so you can reproduce results. If output looks wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Change the seed and simplify the prompt, then increase iterations. That one change often fixes composition or artifact issues without rebuilding the workflow from scratch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.